Hey guys! If you want to learn how to delete the temporary files from your computer, this video is for you. Temporary files can take up a lot of space, slowing down your system, so it's recommended to delete them from time to time. This will help you speeding up your PC and clearing a lot of space in your hard drive. Temporary files are those that your computer generates during regular operations, like browsing the internet or installing software updates. Over time, these files can accumulate and take up valuable space on your hard drive. Let's begin with the tutorial. To delete them, press Windows and R. This window will pop up. Right here, we need to enter Prefetch. Now you might have a lot of files right here. In my case, I deleted them right before recording. That's why I only have one, but delete all the files that appear here. Let's close this window and press Windows R again, and type temp. This will open another folder where there are a lot of temporary files. Just delete them. In case that you can't delete some of them, just mark this checkbox right here and click the Skip button. Now let's close the folder and press Windows R again. And let's go into %temp %. Delete all the files right here too. You can press Ctrl A to select all the files and the Delete key to delete them. You can also right-click and delete from there. As you can see, I had almost 2 GB right here. If you didn't delete your temporary files for a long time, you will probably have more. And again, if you can't delete some files, just mark the checkbox and skip. Now let's go for the last method. Press Windows R one more time and enter this command, clean mgr. This will open the disk cleanup window. You can see there are different options like downloaded program files, temporary internet files, and more. I recommend you to read all of them and unmark some of them in case you don't want to delete something in specific. In my case, I will delete all of them, so I will just click the OK button. And now, delete files. This will start loading and deleting the files. With this simple steps, you will clear a lot of space in your PC and will speed up your system. I hope this was useful. Please consider subscribing and leaving a like for more. Thanks for watching.